Tired of just saying, hello, how are you, every single time? Today, we're unlocking 20 essential English greetings that real native speakers use. Master these, and you'll sound more natural, confident, and professional in any situation. Stay till the end for the casual slang that might surprise you. Let's start with the professional side. Use these when meeting a new boss, a client, or anyone you need to show respect to. 1. It's a pleasure to meet you. 2. How have you been lately? 3. Good morning or afternoon. I hope you're well. 4. I don't believe we've met. I'm your name. 5. It's lovely to finally put a face to the name. Practice tip. Always maintain eye contact and use a firm handshake for formal settings. Moving on to informal situations. These are perfect for friends and colleagues you see often. 6. How's everything going? 7. What have you been up to recently? 8. Long time no see. 9. How's your day been? 10. You all right? Common in the UK. Response is, yeah, I'm good, thanks. 11. Fancy meeting you here, when you meet unexpectedly. Time for the fun stuff, the very casual slang. Only use these with close friends. 12. Hey there. 13. What's up? Sup? The response is often just not much or nothing. 14. Howdy. Very common in the southern US. 15. Yo. Urban slang. Be careful with this one. These phrases show real care and attention. Use them when you know someone might be struggling or you want a deeper conversation. 16. How you holding up? 17. Are you doing okay? 18. I was just thinking about you. 19. Anything new in your world? 20. What's going on? Asking for an update on their life. That's 20 greetings. Your challenge is to try 3 new phrases this week. Tell me in the comments, if you saw an old school friend at the airport, which phrase would you use? Next up, we tackle how to ask for directions without getting lost. Don't forget to like and subscribe.